Alright, look here, YouTube. Was a junk Honda 300 4Trax. 1988. Yeah, 1988 model. It was junk. The brakes were stuck. So we took all the tires off. We're going to put new tires on it. It's kind of in a bad shape right now. But we're going to see if we can't get it to start. Probably help turn a fuel on. It's not wanting to work right now. The battery meter says it's dead as a doornail. Holy crap. Well, it decided that it did not want to work. And just gonna let y'all look at it. I mean, it's old. Really old. It's got this big old sprayer on top of it. You can see the sticker. It says 1988 right there. It's old as crap that don't want to start. You can see we got the battery charging. And the thing don't work, and it's kind of leaking gas. So let's turn the fuel off. There we go. So yeah, this is how you have to start it. It's not one of them fancy bucks where you can use a key. Alright. This sums me up. Oh yeah, this is the shop. It's pretty good. It helps. It's air conditioned. We got these stock Honda tires, or they're Maxxis tires. They are 25 by 10 by 12. You can see that right here. There. Y'all are upside down. All terrains. Probably gonna get stuck. It's only a 2-wheel drive, but let's give it a shot.